In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add lives. So I'm just going to run the program straight away so you can see what's going to happen. So I've already got some lives set up, so little images to represent the live. And when I get hit by a bullet, you can see those lives go down. And when I lose all my lives, it ends the game. Okay, just close the game down. So how does that work? Well, first of all, like always, I just need to load up a picture. So I found a picture off the internet, but it was too big. So rather than simply resizing it into a paint editor and then saving it again, I thought I'd use Pygame to do that. So what I've done is I've got it to transform and scale it. So that's using that scale command. It takes the heart image in, and you pass through a tuple of the size you want it to be, and then it returns a image for you to use. So it's a really easy little command to use. So let's see the other changes. So one other change, which is really simple, is create a new variable to control how many lives I got. So it starts off with 5, so nice and easy. And then let's look at the other changes. So actually, this is really easy to do. So if we look at the code which controls the enemy bullets, so if it collides with the player, rather than simply set game over to be true straight away, I reduce the lives by 1. If the lives are 0 at that point, we then set the game over to be true. So it's a really, really easy little change. The rest of it stays the same. The other change we need is to actually see the lives, and that's controlled by a really simple loop. Excuse me. So start off with 0, count equals 0, and while count is less than live, so it's a really simple loop. Split that heart image, and I just have a little bit of a calculation to do. So I take that count and times it by the width of the image. Now, rather than hard coding that width, I've used heartimage.getWidth. It's a little bit more modular. That way I can change the size of it in one place, and it will just change the rest of it, which is fine. And that will basically create a heart in the right position. So when count is 1, it's going to be 1 times the width, so 1 times 32, which is 32, and display it there. So it's going to just simply get that heart drawn the way I want it to be. So if I run it again, see, that's how it works. So if time count increases by 1, the heart just moves over by 1 width. So it's really, really easy little change. And that's it. That's all you have to do.